So guys, this one's our last one of the show, and this one's heading to Washington. She's rolling now. So this one outbound to Washington, and this will be our last one of the show, guys. What a departure, man. Outbound with the 747 to Washington. There she goes.
Virgin 1123 Heavy, continue for west departure.
Wow. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, that is going to be the end of the show. Thank you for joining us this evening. We will be live on Instagram for our Instagram viewers for our flight somewhere, but we don't know where we're going just yet. But we'll let you know. It won't be live weather, unfortunately. We might, I don't know, but we'll see. But listen, thank you guys. Appreciate your company once again. And we will see you all tomorrow for our departure from Gatwick to Faro. Of course, we've got to come back here next Sunday for some more departures out of 27 right. We want to do some rotations on 27 right as well. But yeah, as you can see in the background is the VS Jumbo heading to beautiful Washington. There she is. Thanks, guys. Really appreciate it. And we'll see you a little bit later on. Instagram viewers, don't go anywhere. Bye-bye for now.